So this video is to guide you on how to use a Padlet. So Padlet is a platform to share your ideas, or your student also can share their ideas on the wall of Padlet. So Padlet is a platform, is another platform that you can use for your teaching and learning activities. So it is very useful and easy to use. So now, if you sign up to a Padlet, so you will get a view something like this. All right. So okay, let's start. How to make a Padlet. So to start making a wall or Padlet wall, so you have to click plus button here, make a Padlet. Okay, so Padlet is a templated platform. So there are several templates that are provided here. So the one that I'm familiar is wall template and shelf template. So the difference between these two is for wall template, so you or your students can randomly post their idea or explanation on the wall. So shelf is more organized, where the students or yourself, you can post a column. So the outcome of the shelf is more organized and nice. But the difference between these two, so for wall is more on two-way interactive teaching and learning. So the students can comment on the other students' idea or explanation, while for shelf, it is a one-way teaching and learning, where the student can post their idea but the other cannot comment. So for this example, I will just pick this example wall. Okay, click select. So when you click select, you will get a view like this. So actually, before you start, you can do a setting. So there are several main setting that you can change here. For example, you can change the title for this Padlet wall. So for example, I want to make the title as, this is for my subject. So activity 1, activity number 1, for the topic for subject SKEE 1013, the activity is ThinkPad Share for energy storage element. So the description here, you can put any description. So for example, you can put description like what will be discussed, or what will be the topic for this Padlet. So for this case, I put CLO2, ability to illustrate the concept of energy storage element. Okay, beside that, you can also change the icon. So for example, let's just pick any icon. So will pop up like this, and the main thing is to change the address. Okay, so at the moment the address is padlet.com/izila/ something random here. So what is the special thing about Padlet? You can change the address. So for example, let's just put SKEE 1013 underscore 2019 20201. Okay, let's just put this. And also you can change the wall. Okay, there's a solid color, choose any of your preference. So let's just take an example. We choose this as the wallpaper. All right, and then what else? Attribution, display author name. It's okay if the student doesn't sign up a Padlet, they still can post their comment or their ideas on this Padlet wall. So comments allow viewers to comment on the post. Yes, you can, to make it a two-way teaching and learning. So you can tick this. Okay, so the rest looks okay. Click next, and you can start posting. So this is how it looks after we do the setup. So to start posting here, so there is a plus button here, so you can click plus. So what you can start here, maybe you can uh, give notes to your student. Okay, when they enter this wall, when they go to this wall, they know what to do. So for example, you can give instruction to them. So this is just an example. So you can give instruction to them. So what they have to do in this wall. Okay, so this is just an example. So that's it. So in this Padlet, you can also share, you can also upload files and pictures and anything. So when students go to this Padlet, so how they going to share their ideas? They just click a plus button here. So they can start share their ideas or anything related to the activities given. So in the next, I will show you the complete example of think, pair, share activity by using Padlet.